Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to use Microsoft Copilot with 9 powerful tips and tricks for 2025. So whether you are using it for work, school or personal productivity, these Copilot features will help you get faster, smarter and way more efficient. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, in order to access Microsoft Copilot, you can open it on your web browser. You need to come here on copilot.microsoft.com, and in order to access it, you need to sign in here with the help of your Microsoft account. Now over here, once you are on this page, you can just simply use it for summarizing your documents instantly. For that, you just have to simply drag and drop your PDF file or any of the file in the any of the formats here by clicking on this plus icon. Select the option of add images and files. After that, you need to select that particular file and you can give it a prompt something like summarize this document, and it will give you the key points, the action items and even the bullet summaries for the meetings. You can also use it for writing the emails in Outlook. For example, inside Outlook, you can click on the icon of Copilot Sparkle, and then you can ask it to write a professional reply to any of the emails or summarize the thread in your email section. Now, if you are using it in your MS Word, you can go to the Copilot section and you can draft with Copilot. After that, you can give it the prompt like write a 500-word proposal about social media strategy, and then you can ask it to edit the tone, the format, and the structure. So it is going to make the adjustments instantly to your instructions. Now, if you are using it in Excel, Copilot can analyze your sheets automatically. If you are using it in your PowerPoint, Copilot can help you in creating your presentations. Then you can also ask it for any kind of contextual questions. Unlike the old assistants, Copilot now understands the context of your keyword. So here you can ask it something like summarize my last team meeting, and then it is going to pull out the notes, the attendees and the decisions directly from the Microsoft 365's data. Now you can also use it for coding. You can add it in the Visual Studio, and then you can ask it to suggest the entire snippet, explain the bugs or rewrite the code to optimize the performance. So with the help of these few methods, you can just start using Copilot efficiently in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.